Nice to read again, and
I'm Jason.
Jason. Missing you guys, and another project that you can do at home with stuff that you may already have. Okay? We're going to make some bird feeders. And if you have toilet paper rolls, if you don't, maybe a Pringles cup or a paper towel roll, some string, scissors, peanut butter. If you are allergic to peanut butter, or anybody in your house is allergic to peanut butter, you can use honey. What's the honey going to do? It's going to help it stick. It's going to help it stick to these, just like the peanut butter. Okay. If you don't have bird seed, don't worry. Don't go out and buy it. We can make our own. JJ and I pre-made some, but here's some of the things that you can use to make bird seed. Eggshells. I don't know if you can kind of see this, but there's eggshells that we dried overnight, cornflakes, some bread. Here, we're going to squish those up in there. Those are already dried. Birds like dried fruit. I have some dried cranberry mix that we can put in here. Dried fruits and nuts. Tostitos, if you have some of those, you can crush some of those in there. That's okay. Crush them up real good, JJ. Because birds' beaks are really teeny. You want to make sure that they have. There you go. If you're having a hard time crushing it, you can take a cup and kind of just hit it, okay? You want to make sure it's really crushed up. So hold the bowl so it doesn't go flying on you. There you go. What do you think? JJ and I also added some popcorn. Add a little bit of that. Not too much. Okay. Now what you're going to do, what do you want? You can either pick this one, or which one?
Paper towel.
Paper towel. Oh, important. So what JJ and I did already is we put a hole in one side. You can either put a hole up at the top, because they're going to kind of hang, all right? Or you can put a hole at each end and put the string this way. We'll show you that at the end. All right, I'm going to use a little one. JJ is going to use the peanut butter, and I am going to use the honey. So what you're going to do, JJ, is take a big scoop. Your hands are going to get dirty. Mine are going to get very sticky too. I'm going to use the honey. I'm just going to actually drizzle the honey on this and then work it around with my fingers, because it's pretty sticky. There you go, just rub it on. So I can put my fingers in here to hold it, and then just rub it on. Oh, it's super sticky. Love it. Yeah, I like when my hands get dirty. Okay, mine is pretty sticky. Let me show you. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it and I'm going to pour some of this on the table. Oh, you can't see that. I'll push it over. Can you see that a little better? There you go. And I'm going to roll it in.
Okay, mine is
Actually, it might work better if we leave it in the bowl. I think it will.
Mine's done.
Okay. I'm gonna leave it in the bowl. It's a good thing. Trial and error. If something doesn't work, you try something else.
Okay. I think our dog got it.
All right. So what you're gonna do? You have a lot on there, but it needs to be all over it. See what I'm doing? I'm kind of just gonna go around a couple times so that it all sticks. Press it on if you have to. And you may actually want to put some more on. Spaces that I might have missed.
Okay.
Nope, it's going to be all over it.
I'm trying to get the inside.
Nope, you don't have to get the inside, just the outside. Do you need some help? So here's one already done. So there you go. You can put your fingers inside so it's easier. And then you're gonna rub it all the way down. See how I'm going all the way up it?
Yeah. Where should we put this?
Right on there. That's okay.
Okay.
So you stick your fingers in there. You're probably gonna need more. It's kind of a messy activity, but it's not messy, it's not fun. Here you go. I want to get all that on there. I'm gonna rinse my hands a little bit. Bentley loves peanut butter. Come here. Lick the peanut butter. And of course I will wash my hands. All right, all right. How you doing, JJ?
Here.
Are you ready for seeds?
Yes.
All right. So JJ's is kind of long, so he may have to stick it in there. And you're gonna, here, I'll give you this. You wanna. Don't worry about getting, no. Here you go. You're gonna turn it and stick it on there. Do I have a paper towel? That grossing you out? Yeah. Okay. When you're done that, so you're going to take a little scoop and you're going to scoop on like this. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Take the cup. As soon as you get one of them done, you can cut off a piece of string like this. Find that hole that you made earlier. Right there. You might have to stick the scissors through again so you can kind of see it. Interesting. Looks good. You done?
Yes.
You want to rinse your hands off?
Yes. Do you think Bentley would want it or no?
Well, for right now, we'll just finish this. All right, and then I'm going to stick the other side through. If you look inside, you can find the hole. Oh, there you go. Now you're just going to tie these. I make that kind of short. You might want to make it a little bit longer. Okay, I'll show you this one. So you find a tree outside, and you hang that on the tree. So JJ's will go sideways. Well, his string will be longer. JJ, this came out really good.
Thank you.
Well done. Okay.
My aunt actually planned on getting
Some of these?
a bird feeder or something like
Cool,
that.
now you don't have to.
She didn't, but she didn't get it.
That's okay.
Yeah.
All right, I'm having a hard time finding the holes on this one, so I'm just going to make 2 new ones. I'm going to use a knife, but ask your a dog that lives with you to do this. This, please. All right, JJ, here we go. So here's one. We're going to make a little tie over here, okay? And then we'll make a. Do you want it this? How about like that long? What do you think?
Yeah, that should
All right, sound good? So I'll cut it. And again, I couldn't find the holes that I made, so I'm going to just make another one. Actually, that's not really safe. Make sure you do it with a pen. It's much safer. You don't want to use a knife and cut yourself. Okay? So, there we go. Nice and much safer. And you can kind of use the scissors to push the string through and get it. And your hands are going to get dirty, very peanut buttery or very honey. Don't worry about it. All right, hold that up. You want to show the... So these are homemade
Try them at home.
bird feeders. Go
See
out and
how-
hang them on a tree and put them high enough so that your dogs and
Cats or
other animals won't get them. But you might see squirrels on them or... Okay? We hope you liked the video. Hope you make them. And
they're really fun.
they are. Even though it's raining, maybe you can still get to see them. Who knows? Thank you for watching.
Have a nice day.
Have a nice day.